This is Robert with Vending How. This video looks at single shelf versus dual shelf or even a split shelf for candy in your vending machine. So here we have two machines, a 4 and a 5 wide, that are sitting in our house waiting for reconditioning. These machines can be converted to change how many snack options are available and how many candy options. When we refer to candy options, we're talking about these smaller coils here. They're not as wide as your snack coils for your chips and your cookie and larger bags of items. Some people like to have more snack items in your machine, and maybe there's a reason for it at that account. There's going to be a lot of cup of soups or something like that. The thing to be aware of is these smaller spirals can hold a lot of healthy products like nuts and granola bars. And not only that, you have the ability to vend twice as many products on this shelf as you do on this shelf because there's twice as many coils. And oddly enough, your candy items a lot of times are more expensive than your snack items, even though these are smaller because they're chocolates, rice with a lot of sugar, or nuts, which are expensive but good quality products. Because they are a higher dollar item and you can put more of them in the machine, when you're talking about your return on investment and your return on the time you spend servicing the machine, you can have a lot more vends and more money out of a machine with 2 candy shelves versus 1. You can also take and convert a candy shelf so it's half candy and half chips by removing a couple of these motors, moving their location, putting in the larger coils. Very simple thing to do, and we've showed how to change motors on other videos, so you can refer to that to see how you could do that to change your machine, either from having fewer candy spirals or having fewer snack spirals and increasing the other item. I like having 2 candy shelves in most of my machines because we do carry a lot of health bars, the Special K's, the Nutri-Grains. We carry fiber bars. We carry a lot of different types of nuts, and our customers seem really happy with that. And so we end up with a happier customer, more profit for us. But when you're setting up your machine, you really want to take a look at the single candy tray like I have over here, or a dual candy tray like we have over here. For instance, even though this machine is a 4 wide machine, only has 1 less spiral in it than this machine because it has 2 trays set up for candy. This machine has 1 tray set up for candy. So even though it's 5 wide, this machine only has 1 additional spiral. So when you're looking at how much money you can make per visit on your machine and how many different products you can offer your customer, you're really better off going with a dual spiral machine in a 5 wide snack.